Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So, I don't know, a couple of months ago, I got a call from a lady down in the Palm Springs area. Me and Jeff St. Clair went down there. We rented a 24-foot Ryder truck and picked up a whole truck full of stuff, this being one of the pieces. It's really quite cool. This is probably before 1900, into the 1800s, and this was a barrel organ which guys would push around in the streets with a tip cup. And sometimes, I'm guessing, they would probably have a monkey with them. So they would grind the organ, the monkey would dance, the monkey would take the tip tray around and ask the audience to put money in the cup. That's what they used a lot of this stuff for. It was for street organs. I suppose you could hire this guy if you were having some sort of a little party, etc. He'd come to your house with it. This thing actually rolls super nice. It's a balance piece. So you see, I got just one little hand here, and one hand, right? Everything is in nice shape. I especially like the wagon. I think the wagon is super cool. It's built beautifully. It's all in good shape. There's no glue joints loose. The thing ain't falling apart. And actually, I believe somewhere 20, 30 years ago, somebody had done some restoration work on it and did a very nice job. Now, this is a barrel organ, and if I can get this, it's a E. Bona and Anastanzi. You'll make it out once you get the organ. So the thing plays. It's got kind of a real funky sound. I have not tried to tune it. I am not going to try to tune it, but I think it would come up quite a bit once you get it home, bring in a tuner, and get the piano tuner. I'm going to show you why it's a barrel organ in a minute, but let's give it a shot. Okay, so I'm going to pull the front board off of it. It's got original locks in it. Okay, I'll pull the front board off. As you'll see, here is your action inside of it. I'll take this orbit here, this off, and you'll see here is your barrel in here. Okay, so this was ran, for those who don't know, it had pins in it, right? And it had strikers. So you see the barrel? Now, if Jeff, come over here and just show them, you'll see there's a big panel here, and this is where they would install and put barrels in them, take them out, service them, and when you bought this, you could actually buy it with several barrels, and then you could change them to change the music. Once again, it's in nice shape. It also has a compartment here for the monkey food. Just kidding, don't know. There's some polishes and things in here, which the gentleman who owned it left. Rolls good, looks good, is good. This is a nice museum piece, or if you have any kind of a store, retail outlet, and you put this in the window, it's just a real eye getter. You can put a couple of spots on it at night, and you could say Joe's Ice Cream, music to your ears, and put it on here, right? Bob's Auto Body, music to your ears. It'd be a cute little saying, and get your name out. Great piece, rolls good, looks good, 1800s, so if you'd like it, I'm quite certain we'll be able to put this on a big pallet, strap it down, put it on a pallet jack, get it right to your house. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate it. And here you go. Here's a nice barrel organ. Crank it. Jeff says crank it.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.